Okay, students. Today we will start the chapter number 4 remaining part. As you will see in the screen, in the last class we studied token ring algorithm and we studied distributed algorithm. So these two algorithms we will see in the last class. Now in today's class, see here. Uh, this distributed last class finish, token ring last class finish, and Bagi this centralized, decentralized. This in chapter number 2. See here centralized algorithm and here decentralized algorithm. So these four algorithm we see in the last classes. Okay, so these four algorithm name as mutual exclusion algorithm. Mumkin in exam uktub the ism of mutual exclusion algorithm. So ism number wahid, this is number itne talata arba. So these are the four name of mutual exclusion algorithm. And mumkin this kullu table talata mass question. Yani uktub the yani do a comparison of kullu mutual exclusion algorithm in tabular form tab tabular form. Okay, so you have to draw this table. So here let's say centralized algorithm. What is the problem is if coordinator kharban kullu system crash. Decentralized algorithm, what is the problem is low efficiency. These distributed algorithm, what is the problem? If any process crash kullu system yani crash. Next, if token ring algorithm yani if the token is lost yani token gaffal, then process is crash yani system crash. So these are the arba problem, these are the arba algorithms. So in exam you have to uktub algorithm and problem. Understand any question? So this is very important table mumkin talataba.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now next, election algorithm. Mumkin from hina Nussbaum's question. Election algorithm. Read this. Election algorithm attempt to locate with highest. Yani in election algorithm, you will select the higher number, yani Kabir number, and put it as coordinator. As I told you in chapter number 3, we will select the Kabir process and Uktub as a coordinator. So same we will show Faliom how it will do. Yani what are the algorithm, how tartib. So it is all in the election algorithm. Yani in election algorithm, you will shield the Kabir number process and Uktub as a coordinator. Okay, so this is known as election algorithm. Mumkin from hina Nussbaum's question, मुमकिन this highest माफी मौजूद और मुमकिन this माफी मौजूद. इतने you will remember. Uh, if all probable to be very probable to step one of them is special, we will assume each process unique. This no problem. Okay, so this Aliom very important algorithm. This algorithm come in 5 marks question. Okay, so Awwal we will see the question, how the question, then we will see English. Okay. Uh, Gadin, exam assignment. Hmm. Another question. this question मौजूद in assignment, question number 10. Okay student, this is the question. Apply Boole algorithm to select the Jadid coordinator if the current coordinator is Kharban. Okay, in question already मौजूद process to where process to start the election process, yani here you have to start from process 2. Then what is the process? How to answer this question? To answer this question, you will draw same diagram like this: 6 0 3 5 1 arba itne. Now see, in the question मौजूद you have to start from itnen. So if you have to start from itnen, itnen will send the message to Kabir process. Kabir yani the greater than 2, yani number 2 will send message to the process who is greater than 2, yani meaning 2 will send message to Arba, 2 will send message to Talata, 2 will send message to Khamsa. 2 will, because this 6 is Kharban, already Kharban. And Hina Uktub, wait, I will see what is election. Hina Uktub, ELECTION. If you Mafi Uktub election, yani this, then marks will be deducted. This is diagram number Wahid. Any problem in diagram number Wahid? All students? Again, okay. In diagram number Wahid, you will look to this same diagram. Okay, in question मौजूद start from itnen. So if you have to start from itnen, then you will send message to Kabir process. Yani Kabir means itnen. So what is Kabir? Yani Talata is Kabir, Khamsa is Kabir, Arba is Kabir, Wahid Mafi Kabir, Sifar Mafi Kabir. So Itnen will send message to Talata, Itnen will send message to Khamsa, Itnen will send message to Arba. And Uktub this, ELECTION, Uktub this message. This is diagram number Wahid. Understand? Okay. Now diagram number 2. In diagram number 2, like here 2 send message to 3, yani kullu process in this reply yani Talata will reply to Itnen, Khamsa will reply to Itnen, and Arba will reply to Itnen. Why reply? Because awwal Itnen request, now lazim reply. So reply yani uktub hina message okay, okay, and okay. This is diagram number Itnen. Understand? Okay, now diagram number Talata. Oh, 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 oh. Wait, mumkin. Talata, Khamsa, Wahid, Arba. This is diagram number Talata. Now in diagram number Talata, yani Itnen, Awwal send, बादेन रिप्लाई यानी इतनेन फिनिश. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम तलाता. यानी तलाता विल सेंड मैसेज टू कबीर. कबीर यानी अरबा. कबीर यानी खमसा. बस. एंड उक्तुब हिना ELECTION उक्तुब इलेक्शन. So Talata will send message to Arba. Talata will send message to Khamsa and Hina Uktub election. This is diagram number Talata. Any problem in diagram number Talata? Now diagram number Arba. Tell me diagram number Arba. How diagram number Arba? Uktub same Sifar Talata Khamsa Wahid Arba. Now tell me what will happen in diagram number Arba. In diagram number Arba, yani Talata 4 will send, yes, 4 will send message to Talata and Khamsa will send to Talata and Hina Uktub okay message. Because Hina Talata send, Hina Talata receive. Now diagram number Tani. Okay. Next 0, 3, 5, 1, 4. Yes, now tell me what will happen. What will happen? Yani Talata finish. Now we will start from Talata finish. Now we will start from Arba. Yani Arba send message to Ash. Arba send message to, yes, Arba will send message to Khamsa. Arba will send message to Khamsa and Uktub ELECTION. This is yani diagram number Mafi Kabir. Okay, Wahid Kabir bas. So hada diagram number Khamsa. Tani diagram. Today may be some problem. 0, 3. 0, 3, 5, 1, 4, 2. Now in this, tell me what will happen. Yani Hina Arba send request. Now Lazim reply. Yani Khamsa will send to Arba and Hina Uktub okay message. Other diagram number Khamsa, other diagram number 6. Now next diagram. Uktub Sifar Talata Khamsa Wahid Arba Yes, now tell me in this diagram what will happen, students? In this diagram what will happen? यानी अव्वल इतने फिनिश, बादेन तलाता फिनिश, अरबा फिनिश. Now tell me. Students, yes, खमसा. But any कबीर number मौजूद mean खमसा, यानी any greater number than 5 available or माफी. In the diagram, the greater number than 5 माफी मौजूद. So what will happen? Khamsa will send message to Kullu process because Mafi Kabir available. And Hina Uktub, Khamsa will send message to Kullu process and he will Uktub coordinator. Talata, Khamsa, Arba, and Uktub coordinator. Because Khamsa is the Akhir greater number. So he will Mafi request, Mafi reply, Alatul he will send message to Kullu process मौजूद in the system and Uktub the coordinator. Yani Khamsa is the Jadid coordinator. Understand? Any student, any problem, he can ask me. So you have to draw same like this diagram. In any diagram, if Mafi Uktub election, Mafi Uktub okay, marks will be deducted. At Akhir diagram, if Mafi Uktub coordinator, then marks will be cut. Understand this question? Okay, now we will shuf the kitab. Now this shuf hina awwal coordinator 7 Ada Kharban. You have to select the Jadid coordinator. You in question मौजूद start from Arba. So you start from Arba. Arba will send message to Khamsa 6. Baden they will reply. Reply Shufina, okay, okay. Baden Arba finish. Now start from Khamsa. Khamsa send to 6 and 7 in this month. So Baden 6 okay. So 6 Akhir 6 will send coordinator to Kullu process. Yani 6 is the Jadid coordinator. Understand? Students? Now this is the Boole algorithm. Boole algorithm. These are the Talata steps. Number one step, as I told you in number one, he will send request. Request yani he will uktu what? Election. This election message. If no one respond yani if at akhir Mafi receive okay message, then Alatul the number is coordinator. Again, for example, 5 send message to 6 and Mafi receive message. So if Mafi receive message, Khamsa is the coordinator. This is number 2. If one of the higher answer, then okay. Yani if this number talata here, if Khamsa send message to 6 and Baden Samdagiga 6 will send message okay, then meaning is Khamsa will Mafi become the Jadid coordinator. Mumkin 6 will become the Jadid coordinator. Understand? Yani if any Kabir number reply yani if any Kabir number send okay message, then meaning is the number Mafi become the coordinator. So these are the Talata condition. Mumkin Wahid marks question. Yani select. Mumkin this in exam, and here this and this, and here mm, this. Okay, student, this is Boole algorithm, lazim practice, and this very important question. Khamsa mass question last year. Okay. Students, okay. Now next algorithm, ring algorithm. Now Shufina, मुमकिन all student will do खता. हदा सवाल यानी हिना मौजूद रिंग एल्गोरिथम. गदीम क्लास शुफिना हदा एश हदा टोकन रिंग यानी इसम सेम सेम बट हिना मौजूद टोकन. Okay, remember this. If question मौजूद टोकन रिंग then you have to do like this. If question मौजूद ring then you have to do like this. Remember this. मुमकिन nus class यानी half of the class will do this wrong. Okay, because ring algorithm and token ring yani meaning same but token मौजूद extra. Okay, now this token ring अव्वल we will shuf the question but then we will shuf the English. There are 5 6 4 3 2 1 यानी in the system 6 process मौजूद and number 6 is खरबान. You have to select the jadid coordinator by using token. Oh, sorry, I am also confused. By using ring algorithm, and in question मौजूद start from 2 और मुमकिन in question मौजूद process to shoot the message यानी you have to start from itnen. So how? Itnen will send message to Talata and hina uktub rakam itne. Baden because hada ring yani like this. Oh, this 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 this. Baden samdagiga Talata will send message to Arba and hina uktub itnen and Talata. Baden samdagiga Arba will send message to Khamsa and hina uktub itnen Talata Arba. But then Khamsa will send message to 6 but hada 6 Harban. So this Mafi send. Now 5 will send message to next. Next yani Sifar. So what will he will look to 2, 3, 4 and 5. Baden samdagiga Sifar will send message to Wahid and hina uktub 2, 3, 4, 5 Sifar. Baden samdagiga Wahid will send message to Itnain and hina uktub at akhir what will happen from here. You have to select the kabir yani ash, kabir yani khamsa is the jadid coordinate. Understand? Any problem? Students, understand. Okay. Take another example. Take another example. Talata, Arba, Khamsa, 6, 7. This number 6 is Kharban. You have to select the Jadid coordinator. Okay, and start from 4. So Arba will send message to Khamsa and Uktub number. But then Khamsa will send message to 6, but Hada Kharban Alatul he will send to next, yani 7. So hina he will uktub Arba Khamsa. 7 will send message to Itnain and hina uktub 4, 5, 7. Now Itnain will send message to Talata and he will uktub 4, 5, 7. Itnain. Talata will send message to Arba. Itnain, Arba, Khamsa, 7. बस बस talata. Okay, min hina 7 is Kabir, so Hada coordinate. Understand, students? So now we will see the English. This Shofina ring algorithm. When any process notice that coordinator is not functioning, yani if any process shuf, yani if the number is mafi working, it build a election message containing a number, yani he will look to the process number, let's say this, like this, yani number, process number, and send message to add successor yani who is the next. If successor is Kharban, let's say Hada 6 will send message to 7, but 7 is Kharban. Then what will do? Sender skip over the successor and goes to the next member. Yani now 6 will send message to Sifar. Yani Sifar is the next process. Okay. So this is all English. Mungkin from Hina Nusma's question. This Mafi Mojud. This Mafi Mojud in exam. And this and this. Okay, students.